Hello everyone, you're welcome back to Chess with Devons, and today I have another endgame puzzle for you. And in this puzzle you have to find the winning move for white, the moves that white has to play to win this game. Because as you see, white has a rook, but then black actually has two pawns that are moving towards. One pawn is just one square from promoting, and another is just three squares from promoting, and they have a king that can actually protect them. So it is not an easy puzzle for white. It's not just an easy puzzle. So you have to see if you can find the moves that white has to play to win this game. But before we solve it together, I want you guys to first try it out by yourselves. So if you do not mind, pause the video, try to solve it, come back when you found it. Good luck. Alright, did you find the moves that white has to play to win this game? Please let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We are almost reaching 900 subscribers. Please, if you are watching this video and you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Let's build the channel together. Alright, so the first move that would actually come into your head would be playing rook g1. Why? Because when you play rook g1, you're looking forward to capture the pawns and win the game. But the problem is white can come after you. White plays king e4, and then when you capture the pawn on g2, white is going to play f3, and when white plays f3, it means the pawn is protected, and you have to run away with the rook. And after white plays g3, there's no way you're going to prevent white from promoting unless you sacrifice your rook. And if you sacrifice your rook, then it's a draw, or white or black is winning. So that's it. If you to try to prevent, you're going to sacrifice your rook, and that's a draw, and we want white to win. So that would be a wrong move for the puzzle. So playing rook g1 doesn't win us the game. What about if you try to move our king? Do we get to win the game? The problem is if you try to move our king, we are not going to reach the pawns before the black king. So that's the problem. The black king is going to reach there, and when you try to come closer, black is going to promote, and you'll have to sacrifice your rook, or black will have to promote. So that's it. There's no way you can reach the pawns before black. Black is actually closer to the pawns than your king. So that's also not going to work out for us. So the correct solution to this puzzle, if you found rook e1, you found the solution, because rook e1 cuts off the king, the black king, from going towards the pawns. All right. So black is only left with an option of coming to capture the rook, but then you are closer to your rook than black is, because now black is going to try to come for the rook, capture the rook, and maybe so that it gets to promote. But then when black comes, you also come, and there's no way black can come any closer. So black just has to continue, go back up, and when black goes back up, you can try to push it further up. It can't cross towards the pawns, and it only has to go up, and when it goes up, you can capture the pawns and win the game. So if you found the move rook e1, you found the solution. Okay, until next video, have a good day.